wants everybody in Nigeria to be aware that this exercise is being conducted from now until March next year. So this particular study is something that is so important for everybody all over the world, and the results thereof will be something that the government and every other person that will have the data can make good and informed decisions about policies around the well-being of children and women in Nigeria.
Unlike other forms of data which are also produced looking at childhood indicators, this looks like a more comprehensive data set, that helps us to measure up to 40 different indicators on children and women and also the households. So for us, it's really very important that this is done and that this is done very well.
Realization of data gathering start from use of electronic instrument that we are actually using. As we are collecting data in the household, the data goes straight to the server at the national headquarters. However, we have not reached the stage whereby we just pick our phone and phone the household to supply data and without visiting their domain. But meanwhile, we are using electronic system of data collection to reduce a lot of human errors.
The SG